This is 60. This is the long game, 100% natural, no pills, no potions. Anyone can do it. This is 60 years of age. So anyone who tells you you can't have a fantastic, great body and a six-pack at 60, well, reference them to me. Bye for now.
Imagine feeling stronger and more energized, like you're in your 40s. Even as you get older, it's not just a dream, it's possible with the right habits. Andy Wilkinson is living proof that with just one simple daily practice, you can restore muscle strength, improve your health, and feel like you're decades younger. If you're ready to unlock the secret to staying strong and vibrant well into your later years, keep watching to learn how this one habit can transform your fitness journey. Andy Wilkinson has become a prime example of how dedication to fitness, smart habits, and proper training can help you stay strong, healthy, and full of energy as you age. While most people begin to slow down in their 50s and 60s, Andy has managed to maintain and even grow his strength over the years. But how has he done it? The secret is in his daily habits and lifestyle choices. Today, we're going to break down the 5 most important fitness habits that Andy practices to not just stay strong, but actually get stronger with age. Whether you're looking to regain lost muscle or maintain what you have, these tips are grounded in science and can help you achieve your fitness goals at any age. The one habit that transforms muscle health. The one habit Andy practices every day is resistance training. It's the single most effective method for building and maintaining muscle as we age. But let's be clear, it's not about lifting heavy weights or following complex routines. The secret is in the consistency and dedication to working out regularly, with proper form and smart exercises. Andy focuses on exercises that use multiple muscle groups at once, like squats, deadlifts, and push-ups. These compound movements are proven to maximize muscle engagement and improve overall strength, even for seniors. Here's why it works. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines due to a condition known as sarcopenia. However, resistance training, especially when practiced regularly, can stop or even reverse this muscle loss. Andy's commitment to working out consistently, even on days when he doesn't feel like it, is what keeps his body strong. Whether you're a beginner or have been lifting for years, resistance training can help seniors regain the strength and vitality of their younger years. Why resistance training works for seniors. When you start incorporating resistance training into your daily routine, you activate muscle fibers and trigger muscle growth. This doesn't just help you look and feel stronger, but it also improves your metabolism, bone health, and overall functional movement. For seniors, maintaining muscle strength is especially important. It improves mobility, balance, and reduces the risk of falls and injuries. Regular strength training can also combat other age-related conditions, such as osteoporosis, arthritis, and chronic pain. The best part? You don't need a gym membership to get started. Bodyweight exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups can be done at home, making it easy to fit them into your daily routine. And as you get stronger, you can gradually increase the difficulty by adding resistance with dumbbells or resistance bands. How Andy stays consistent with his daily habit. Andy's approach to resistance training is not only about doing the exercises but making them a daily habit. He sets aside time each day for a 30-minute workout, which includes a full-body resistance training session. He doesn't overcomplicate it. He simply focuses on the basics. Andy's key is consistency. He treats his workout like brushing his teeth, something he does every day without fail. What's impressive about Andy's approach is his ability to stay motivated as he ages. He doesn't rely on willpower alone. Instead, he structures his day so that his workout is part of his routine, like eating or sleeping. Andy also listens to his body and adjusts his workouts as needed to match his energy levels and recovery needs. How you can get started with resistance training. If you're a senior looking to regain strength, don't be intimidated by the thought of starting a resistance training program. Here's how you can get started. Start slow. If you're new to resistance training, start with simple bodyweight exercises. Focus on squats, push-ups, and lunges. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Gradually increase resistance. Once you're comfortable, consider adding light weights or resistance bands to increase the challenge. Focus on form. The most important thing is to ensure you're using the correct form. Proper form reduces the risk of injury and ensures you're targeting the right muscles. Consistency is key. Try to incorporate resistance training into your routine 3 to 4 times a week. The more consistent you are, the better your results will be. Rest and recover. Don't forget the importance of rest. Muscles grow and rebuild during recovery, so make sure you're giving your body time to rest in between sessions. The science behind muscle growth and aging. Many seniors shy away from strength training because they fear injury or think it's pointless at their age. However, studies show that even seniors in their 70s and 80s can build muscle with the right training regimen. In fact, strength training improves muscle mass, increases bone density, and helps maintain functional independence. The key to muscle growth as you age is progressive overload. This means gradually increasing the intensity of your workouts by adding resistance, increasing repetitions, or adjusting the duration of your sessions. By challenging your muscles, you stimulate growth, which in turn helps you stay strong, agile, and independent. Conclusion: it's never too late to build strength. The one daily habit that can restore muscle strength, like you're in your 40s, is resistance training. Andy Wilkinson's approach proves that with dedication and the right habits, you can defy the effects of aging and become stronger with each passing year. Whether you're looking to regain strength, prevent muscle loss, or improve your mobility, resistance training is the most effective way to achieve those goals. Remember, it's never too late to start. Just take that first step today and begin incorporating resistance training into your daily routine. With consistency, patience, and the right mindset, you can restore muscle strength, boost your energy, and feel decades younger.